Hello traders, Mark Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders Concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date's Tuesday the 25th of July 2017, and the trap trade we're going to look at today, the trade is the dollar yen. Admittedly it's on a shorter time frame, but it's an interesting chart. I just want to walk you through it. Yesterday we had a low in the dollar yen. This was the low of the day in here. And then price rallied, and as you can see, the market had made a series of high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. These are microstructures obviously, but this is a miniature definition of a trend. If you think about anybody who actually caught that turn yesterday, where they would likely place their stops, believing the market would follow through overnight, you would get people going in that microstructure. Not a great idea to be that close obviously, but people will have traded there with their stops. And then we have these low swings. Now if anyone went below the low of the day, admittedly they're not in any trouble at all. They're still in those trades, happy to see price following through. However, anybody who went long in those positions and placed their stops under those swings would have been happy for a period, but then price turned off that high and then started to head against them. Now then, it obviously stopped anyone out who was on this placed the stops in these swings. Anybody who grabbed that retracement, it got them as well. I should mention they'll have placed stops under there, and then ultimately it's caught these swings as well. As I said, if you went below the low of yesterday, you'd have been still happy. Interestingly as well, a consequence of it dropping the way it did, this would have, because it rallied, this drop would have seduced and induced some traders in. Obviously it's a little minor trend to the downside. Where would traders place their stops in that scenario? Above these swings, right? Above here, and they get drawn in, and they've now been creamed. So what this was is a miniature stop hunt in a trend continuation. And now we're hitting new highs, and traders who went in short in here obviously have been caught. So you had a high of the day followed by the low of the day, and now we're putting in a new high. So if we get some type of pullback, this looks like a fairly decent place to get long. It's really cleaned the clocks of a couple of different types of traders on the way to this continuation. And always whenever you see some stop hunt in a trend, which is not usually discussed in this way anyway, what you find is it's fuel for the fire. Okay guys, hope you found that helpful. If you'd like to come and join me in my brand new inner circle, click the link below. I'll see you on the inside.